Sweet Spot Kitchen, sharing some recipes, making some gorgeous desserts, doing a little bit of teaching, and having some fun in the kitchen. Look at what we've been up to. Hello viewers, welcome to Sweet Spot. Welcome to Sweet Spot. Welcome to Sweet Spot. Simply select a piece of clothing you want to color, and then you can rotate the dial to any color you want. We'll go with green today. A little lighter. Nice. All right. Oh, countdown. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And you extract the recipes, and then you do the light show. Okay. Chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? Whoa, whoa, whoa. And this is a video about buttercream. Perfect dessert. Silky delicious. Delicious. And there's plenty more to come. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified each time a new video is released. See you soon.